The Polestar 6 is more than just a car, it is a statement of how the future of electric performance vehicles is being reshaped. Introduced as a roadster with striking proportions and a modern aesthetic, this car combines Scandinavian minimalism with a futuristic edge that sets it apart from anything else on the road. From the very first glance, the Polestar 6 announces itself as a machine built for those who want elegance and speed blended into one sleek body. The exterior design is defined by sharp lines, aerodynamic flow, and sculpted surfaces that give the Polestar 6 a low and aggressive stance. The long hood and wide track emphasize stability, while the signature Polestar light design, known as the Thor's Hammer daytime running lights, adds an unmistakable identity. The roadster format gives it a clean silhouette, with a retractable hardtop that allows it to transform between coupe and open-air freedom seamlessly. Every angle of the car has been engineered to not only look beautiful but also serve performance efficiency. Performance is at the heart of the Polestar 6. Underneath its artistic exterior sits a dual-motor electric powertrain that delivers lightning-fast acceleration, with estimates pointing toward 884 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. This car is expected to reach 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. The all-wheel drive system makes sure that power is distributed intelligently, giving maximum grip whether you are launching on a straight line or carving through corners. Aerodynamics play a huge role in keeping this car planted at high speeds. The smooth surfaces, hidden door handles, and flush panels all contribute to reducing drag, ensuring that speed and efficiency go hand in hand. Looking at the rear design, the Polestar 6 continues to showcase innovation. A full-width taillight spans across the back, giving the car a futuristic look even when it is standing still. The sharp diffuser and integrated spoiler not only enhance the car's appearance but also play a key role in maintaining stability at higher speeds. The rear proportions balance beauty with performance, creating a shape that feels timeless yet bold. It is a design language that respects the traditions of grand touring sports cars but redefines them for the electric era. The wheels of the Polestar 6 are another highlight. Designed with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, they feature a unique pattern that looks like rolling sculpture, paired with performance tires and large brakes hidden behind them. The wheels give the roadster an athletic posture. When the car is in motion, the design of the wheels amplifies its futuristic look, making it appear like it is gliding effortlessly across the pavement. Historically, the Polestar 6 carries significance because it is inspired directly from the Polestar 2 concept. When that concept was revealed, it immediately drew worldwide attention for its clean design and bold approach to electric roadsters. Polestar took the feedback and transformed the dream into reality by announcing that the concept would become a production model. The Polestar 6, limited at first to a special LA Concept Edition, pays homage to its roots with an exclusive sky blue paint, 21-inch wheels, and subtle details that connect it to the original design study. This lineage makes the Polestar 6 not just a car but a continuation of Polestar's design journey. One of the unique selling points of the Polestar 6 is how it blends futuristic design with reliable engineering. While many electric cars aim for quirky or radical looks, Polestar chooses a refined path. Its minimalistic yet sharp styling appeals to those who appreciate understated luxury with a modern twist. The use of advanced aerodynamics, sculpted surfaces, and a retractable roof system all give the car its character. But the fact that every feature serves a functional purpose is what makes it truly stand out. This is not just beauty for the sake of beauty, it is performance-driven design at its core. Polestar also emphasizes sustainability in its brand philosophy. While the Polestar 6 is a performance car, it is built with materials and methods that reduce environmental impact. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the car is not only about speed and luxury, but also about responsibility. From the choice of lightweight materials to the efficiency of its aerodynamic body, the exterior is crafted with an eye toward the future, showing that driving excitement and environmental awareness can coexist. From the front splitter to the rear diffuser, every inch of the Polestar 6 has been tuned and sculpted to inspire emotion. When the roof is closed, it looks like a futuristic coupe ready to attack the road. When the roof is open, it becomes an elegant roadster built for pleasure. The proportions are balanced perfectly, wide at the shoulders and sleek along the body, creating a shape that feels muscular yet elegant. This duality is what makes the car so captivating. For enthusiasts, the Polestar 6 is more than just a vehicle. It is a glimpse of what the future of driving can feel like. An electric roadster that does not compromise on performance, does not sacrifice beauty, and still respects the heritage of grand touring machines. It is proof that the EV era is not about giving things up but about gaining more power, more design, more excitement. The Polestar 6 achieves all of this while staying true to the Polestar identity of clean design and forward-thinking innovation. So, when you see the Polestar 6 on the road, what you are witnessing is not just another electric sports car, but a carefully designed vision of tomorrow, sculpted for speed, crafted for beauty, and engineered for reliability. It is the kind of car that makes you stop and stare, whether parked in a showroom or flying down a neon-lit highway. The Polestar 6 is destined to be a modern classic, not because it tries too hard, but because it gets everything right, from its stance, to its performance, to its story. This is the electric roadster the world has been waiting for.